one, I cut it. Guys, ito kasi it's very hard fat, isn't it? So what I do, just cut like that here and cut like that here, so at least you have only a little bit fat to mix this seafoods and then our veg. I don't have a butternut squash, so what I used is the normal potato. But if you have a butternut squash, guys, like kalabasa, then it's much also better. As you can see, I separate the fat because I just don't want to mix it, or it's too much fat. But it's up to you. If you want really like to use it, then you can, because we have different style of cooking, don't we? And also some people really like this for adobo, which is occasionally we eat, don't we? Because it's really nice, especially we are Filipino, then we really like to eat it, don't we? Occasionally, not so bad. Spread the pan all over, just like that. It's up to you. If you really like much more oil, it's up to you to add on. But for me, because this is non-stick already, so I just wet the pan a little bit of oil. Just with the onions until it's getting brown. Black pepper. And a bit of coriander. You know guys, when I'm cooking, I really like to use herbs It's good for our immune system. It's good for our what we're eating, you know. Just like what the doctor said, the human body, it's up to us what we're eating. So we eat healthy, our body also is healthy. And the soy sauce. I wait for the pork till get brown. Then the next is the potato. I-cover ko muna siya so the sauce can soak in the pork before I add on all the flavors. So, ready na ihalo ang ating the next episode. Anyway, potato. That's a potato. Okay, halo ko na siya. Hinalo ko na ang potato. So, ayan. Kailangan ko pa siyang i-absorb muna yung mga lasa ng pork. Ma-absorb yung lasa ng pork sa potato. Saka ko na ilagay ang coconut milk, yung gata ng lubi. Okay? That's it. As you can see guys, kanina yung wok pan ang ginamit ko. Pero the more sa whole, so I transfer in the bigger one. Okay? Ayan na siya. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon, kasi na-absorb na ang flavor ng pork dito sa ating potato. So, I will put now the coconut milk. Tada! Coconut milk. Ayan na. Ayan na. And then guys, add a little bit of water. Kasi if the coconut milk is very sticky, so much milk on it. I mean, not milk, gata. Masyado siyang magata. Ang hirap ispilling, ay hirap sabihin ng ano. So, masyado siyang magata. Ibig sabihin yan, pwede mo siyang dagdagan ng water. Ayan na siya, dagdagan na ng water konti. Sorry guys. Ayan na siya. Ayan. Konting water. That's it. Ayan, enough na yan. That's it. The green bean first before you cooking. I did wash already this guys earlier. Okay, and one more. So yan, ihalo na ang mga sitaw. That's green beans. Sitaw sa Bisaya. Ayan na siya. Ayan, hintayin natin maluto ang green beans. Ayan, luto na ang sitaw. The green bean is cooked. The potato is cooked. Now then, this is only for 2 minutes. Our prawn. That's it. There you go. That's our prawn. 2 minutes, guys, and then it's ready to serve. Bon appetit! Don't forget to subscribe my channel, 10 Simplicity Fruit of Labor. Thank you!